India is rising under the power of the sun. From city rooftops to rural schools, from housing societies to industrial sheds, every rooftop is turning into a power plant. This isn't just about sustainability. It's about smart savings, energy freedom, and powering India's clean future. With the government's massive push through the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, solar energy is no longer a luxury. It's becoming a household revolution. And here's where the real opportunity lies. Entrepreneurs who step in now can lead the next wave of India's energy transformation. You're not just installing panels. You're helping homes, businesses, and communities take control of their power. Imagine turning unused rooftops into income streams, powering homes and offices while creating jobs and sustainability. This is where innovation meets impact, where profit meets purpose. You're helping India switch from grid dependency to green self-sufficiency. For entrepreneurs, this is the moment to plug into one of India's fastest-growing revolutions. Those who move early won't just ride the wave, they'll lead it. Because the future of energy in India isn't in the grid, it's on the rooftop. Here's what we'll cover in this video. The target audience for your solar business, market research and analysis with data and growth trends, marketing and sales strategy to win customers, financial planning with setup cost and profit margins, funding and investment options available in India, company incorporation and legal requirements, documents you'll need for approval and subsidy, and finally, how Market Research Universe can help you build and scale your rooftop solar venture. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The solar rooftop installation business appeals to a wide range of customers and partners, residential homeowners looking to cut down high electricity bills, commercial buildings, hotels and malls that want to save operational costs, industrial units and factories aiming to switch to renewable power, schools, hospitals, and housing societies focused on sustainability, government and municipal departments promoting solar adoption, and investors and EPC partners who want to tap into India's booming renewable sector. Simply put, anyone with a rooftop can become your potential customer. Market research and analysis. India's rooftop solar market is on a steep growth trajectory, driven by falling panel costs and generous government subsidies. In 2025, India's rooftop solar market is valued at USD 4.2 billion, and by 2032, it's projected to reach USD 11.5 billion, growing at a strong CAGR of 15.4% from 2025 to 2032. Now here are some key trends powering this growth. Central government subsidies of up to 40% for residential systems, decreasing cost of solar modules and inverters, energy security concerns driving self-generation trends, digital monitoring and AI-enabled solar maintenance systems, and the growing adoption of solar plus storage, or battery-backed systems. Major players like Tata Power Solar, Adani Solar, Waaree Energies, Loom Solar, and startups like Sunroof and Freyr Energy are expanding fast. Still, there's massive untapped potential in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities where rooftop solar adoption is just beginning. Marketing and sales strategy. To succeed, it's really important to focus on trust, awareness, and, of course, technology. When it comes to branding strategy, position yourself as a green energy partner, someone who empowers customers to save and even earn from their own rooftops. Be sure to highlight the savings, available subsidies, and all the sustainability benefits. Building trust is key, so use MNRE certification, Discom empanelment, and genuine testimonials to reassure your clients. Now, let's talk about sales channels. For B2C, target residential and housing society projects. For B2B, look at commercial and industrial rooftops. And don't forget about government projects. You can bid for tenders under SECI and state nodal agencies. Plus, partnerships are very valuable. Work closely with builders, architects, and consultants. For promotional tactics, run local awareness campaigns and social media ads that showcase monthly bill savings. Influencer marketing around clean energy themes can also be super effective. Participate in renewable expos and sustainability events to boost your network. And finally, offering free rooftop assessments and on-site consultations is a great way to convert leads into clients. Financial planning and profit margins. Let's talk money, because honestly, every successful solar business needs a solid financial plan. So, for a mid-scale business, the setup cost usually ranges from 20 to 35 lakhs. This includes about 5 to 7 lakhs for tools, office and safety equipment, 2 to 3 lakhs for licensing and impanelment, 3 to 4 lakhs for marketing and awareness campaigns, 8 to 10 lakhs as working capital for installations, and 3 to 5 lakhs for workforce training and logistics. Now, when it comes to profit margins, you can expect a gross margin of 25 to 30% and a net margin of around 15 to 22%, depending on the project size. The typical payback period is about 2 to 3 years, plus recurring revenue from AMC, that's annual maintenance contracts, and O&M services really adds long-term income for your business. Funding and investment options. Now, let's look at how to fund your solar venture. So first, there are several government schemes you should know about. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana offers up to 40% subsidy for homes. Then, the Rooftop Solar Program Phase 2 provides capital subsidy for grid-connected systems. The Kusum scheme is designed to promote solar power in agriculture, and the PLI scheme for solar PV manufacturing gives incentives to component makers. Moving on to bank and institutional loans, organizations like IREDA, SIDBI, and NABARD offer low-interest renewable energy loans. For external funding, you can approach green funds and climate-focused investors, or even venture capital firms that back clean tech startups. Some entrepreneurs also form corporate partnerships with real estate and energy companies. And for small setups, you can bootstrap or take MSME loans through UDM registration. Company incorporation and legal setup. Before you launch, make sure your business is properly registered. The recommended structure is a private limited company, which is ideal for funding and expansion. Of course, other options like LLP or partnership can work for smaller operations. Now, there are some mandatory registrations you'll need: GST and UDM, or MSME, registration, MNRE accreditation, DISCOM impanelment for subsidy projects, an electrical contractor license, pollution control, and fire safety NOx if you're doing industrial work. And don't forget a trademark for your brand identity. Supporting documents required. Here's what you'll need: identity and address, proof of directors, company incorporation documents like the MOA, AOA, and PAN, MNRE impanelment certificates, rooftop solar feasibility and technical reports, financial projections and a business plan, local DISCOM interconnection approval, and customer contracts and O&M agreements. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a rooftop solar business isn't just about installation. It's about market insight, compliance, and long-term planning. That's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, comes in. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks, and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It is basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case, your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business, to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll, being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time, I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I am also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now, this is the India best and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So we have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me. And I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding, if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continuing with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.